If you want to keep your Wise security settings up to date, removing old devices is essential. Follow these simple steps to manage your devices effectively. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Wise account by entering your credentials on the official website or app. Ensure you are using the correct login information to avoid any access issues. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, locate the Settings or Security section in your account dashboard. This is where you will find options related to device management. Step 3. View Connected Devices. In the Security Settings, look for a section labeled Connected Devices or Device Management. Here, you will see a list of all devices currently linked to your account. Step 4. Identify old devices. Review the list of connected devices and identify any that are outdated or no longer in use. Take note of the devices you wish to remove. Step 5. Remove old devices. Select the old devices you want to remove and click on the Remove or Disconnect option. Confirm your choice if prompted, and the devices will be successfully removed from your account. By following these steps, you can easily manage and remove old devices from your Wise security settings, ensuring your account remains secure.